हॅलो स्टुडंट्स, पॅरेंट्स. कोरोनाच्या वाढत्या प्रभावामुळे विद्यार्थ्यांच्या लेक्चर बंद झाले आहे. त्यामुळे मी प्राचार्य विकास गवळी एन एन सत्ता कॉलेज ऑफ फार्मसी 11वी व 12वीच्या विद्यार्थ्यांकरिता टेस्ट लेक्चर सिरीज चालू करत आहे. त्यामध्ये केमिस्ट्री आणि बायोचे विविध कन्सेप्टवरचे लेक्चर मी पाठवेल, ते आपण जरूर पाहावे. टुडे वी स्टडी ऑन द टॉपिक बेसिक कन्सेप्ट ऑफ द केमिस्ट्री. सर्वांच्या मनात येतं केमिस्ट्री शब्द ऐकल्यानंतर अरे काहीतरी केमिकल ग्लासवेअर असं काहीतरी असेल. तर केमिस्ट्री म्हणजे तेवढ्या याच्यावर न थांबता आपण जे पाहतो, उदाहरणार्थ फॅन, टी व्ही, आपल्या अवतीभोवती असणाऱ्या वस्तू, ह्या सर्व केमिस्ट्रीच्या पार्ट्स आहेत. आपण जे जेवतो तेही केमिस्ट्रीचा पार्ट्स आहे. आणि ह्या लेक्चरमध्ये आपण त्याच्या बेसिक इन्फॉर्मेशन स्टडी करूया. Definition of the chemistry: it is nothing but the study of composition, structure and properties of matter. Then what is meant by the matter? Matter means any particular elements is known as a matter. सिंपल मध्ये सांगायचं ठरलं तर ज्या वस्तू आपण पाहतो त्या सर्व वस्तूंना ती सूक्ष्म असून सूक्ष्मापासून तर मोठ्या वस्तूला आपण मॅटर असे म्हणूया. मीन्स केमिस्ट्री इज अ स्टडी ऑफ द कंपोजिशन, स्ट्रक्चर, properties of the matter. It is also known as a science of atoms and molecules. केमिस्ट्रीच्या मेन 5 ब्रँचेस आहेत. Chemistry has been divided into 5 main branches. First one is organic chemistry, second one is inorganic chemistry, third one is physical chemistry, fourth one is biochemistry, and last one is analytical chemistry. Organic chemistry is nothing but the compound containing carbon and hydrogen as an preliminary element is known as organic chemistry. Example: alcohol. Second, alcohol, glucose, fructose. These are the example of the organic chemistry. Second one is inorganic chemistry. Inorganic chemistry means the compound having other than the carbon and hydrogen as elements is known as inorganic chemistry. Example: sodium chloride. Next one is physical chemistry. To study the physical nature of the compound is known as physical chemistry. Then biochemistry means study of the biochemical reaction occurs in the living organism is known as biochemistry. And last one is analytical chemistry, means these are the chemistry use the instrument for the analysis of the compound is known as analytical chemistry. Then branches. Now we study one by one. First one is organic chemistry. Compound containing carbon and hydrogen as an preliminary element is known as organic chemistry, and their derivatives is known as organic chemistry. Examples: medicine, gasolines, plastic, detergent, dyes, food, additives and natural gases. These are the example of the organic chemistry. While inorganic chemistry means study of compound other than the carbon is known as inorganic chemistry. Example: sodium chloride, it is used as a table salt. Then silicon dioxide used as a computer chips and solar cells. Then sapphires, a well known as gemstones. Then sulfuric acid, a chemical widely used for the production of the fertilizations. Then physical chemistry is the study of how matter behave on a molecule and a atomic level, and how chemical reaction occurs is known as physical chemistry. Example: reaction kinetics, on the rate of reactions. Then Analytical chemistry means to analyze the qualitative and quantitative analysis of the chemical substance element is known as the analytical chemistry, and the analytical work is help of the different instrumentations. Then biochemistry. Biochemistry is nothing but the study of the chemical reaction or changes in the living organisms such as humans and animals. एक्झाम्पल घ्यायचं असेल, आपण जर चपाती खाल्ली तर त्या चपातीचं कार्बोहायड्रेटमध्ये जे रूपांतर होतं इट इज नोन ॲज अ बायोकेमिकल रिॲक्शन. किंवा आपण जे फॅट बॉडीमध्ये जातं त्या फॅटचं जे डायजेशन होतं इट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ द बायोकेमिकल रिॲक्शन. एक्झाम्पल डायजेशन ऑफ द फूड, हार्मोनल सेक्रेशन, फोटोसिंथेसिस इन द प्लांट्स. आपण आधी बघितलं केमिस्ट्री म्हणजे स्टडी ऑफ द कंपोजिशन, स्ट्रक्चर अँड प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ द मॅटर. मग मॅटर आपण सुरुवातीला समजून घेऊया. मॅटर म्हणजे काय? मॅटर इज एव्हरीथिंग अराउंड यू इज नोन ॲज अ मॅटर. ॲटम अँड कंपाऊंड्स आर ऑल मेड व्हेरी स्मॉल पार्ट ऑफ मॅटर्स. म्हणजे एक छोटासा ॲटम आणि एखादा कंपाऊंड मॅटर तयार करतो. मग तो सूक्ष्मपासून तर मोठ्या प्रमाणात असू शकतो. मॅटर हॅज डिवायडेड इन टू फॉर्म. फर्स्ट वन इज अ प्युअर सबस्टन्स अँड सेकंड वन इज अ मिक्सचर. Then pure substance is also classified into two different categories. First one is elements and second one is compounds. ओके, सिम्पली सांगतो एलिमेंट्स म्हणजे काय आणि कंपाऊंड म्हणजे काय. हायड्रोजन हा एक एलिमेंट झाला, ऑक्सिजन हा एक एलिमेंट झाला. जेव्हा दोन हायड्रोजनचे मॉलिक्यूल एक ऑक्सिजनच्या मॉलिक्यूल बरोबर कंबाईन होऊन H2O तयार होतो ते कंपाऊंड झालं ॲज अ वॉटर. सेकंड एक्झाम्पल घ्यायचं ठरलं एलिमेंटचं तर पिरियोडिक टेबलवर जेवढे एलिमेंट्स दाखवलात त्याला आपण एलिमेंट्स म्हणूया. ॲल्युमिनियम, झिंक, मॅग्नेशियम, क्लोराईड, potassium and so many. These are the example of the elements. While compound, when elements get together they form a compounds. तुम्हाला आता elements and compound मधला डिफरन्स कंप्लीट कळला असेल. Then we turn on to the mixture. Mixture having a two parts, homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. सिम्पली सांगतो होमोजेनियस मिक्सचर म्हणजे काय आणि हेटेरोजेनियस मिक्सचर म्हणजे काय. जर तुम्ही साखर पाण्यात टाकली आणि ती मिक्स केली किंवा मीठ पाण्यात टाकलं आणि ते मिक्स केल्यानंतर जे ट्रान्सपरंट लिक्विड फॉर्म तयार होतं इट इज नोन ॲज अ होमोजिनियस मिक्सचर. व्हाईल जेव्हा तुम्ही चिवडा करायला घेतला आहे आणि त्या चिवड्यामध्ये तुम्ही विविध आयटम टाकले तर ते जो तयार होतो किंवा तुम्ही जी भेळ बनवता इट इज नोन ॲज अ हेट्रोजेनियस मिक्सचर. सिम्पली we have to classify the matter into the two main branches. First one is the pure substances. It is classified into two another branches, elements and compounds. Then second main branch of the matter is a mixture. Mixture having a two main branches, homogeneous mixture and second one is a heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous. आता आपण बघितलं मॅटर म्हणजे काय, मॅटरचं क्लासिफिकेशन. आता आपण मॅटरचे स्टेट्स बघूया. Matter having a three different states. First one is a solid, second one is a liquid and third one is a gaseous. And now we study the properties of the matter and their measurements. The properties of the matter. First property is a physical property. Physical property means can be observed or measured without changing the composition of matter is known as a physical property. म्हणजे फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीमध्ये आपण त्याच्यामध्ये कुठेही बदल करत नाही. जे आपल्याला दिसेल, जे आपल्याला मेजर करता येईल त्याला आपण फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी म्हणू. एक्झाम्पल कलर, ओडर, मेल्टिंग पॉईंट, बॉइलिंग पॉईंट, डेन्सिटी, सोल्युबिलिटी, polarity, etc. These are the example of the physical property. While chemical property requires the chemical changes to occurs, it requires the chemical changes, is known as a chemical property. Example, natural gas burn in your furnace. Chemical property includes the reactivity and flammability. केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी सिम्पली सांगायचं म्हणजे जेव्हा मॅटरचा फॉर्म हा चेंज होतो आणि तो कशा पद्धतीने चेंज झाला त्या प्रॉपर्टीला आपण केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी असे म्हणतो. Matter having two main properties. First one is a physical property and second one is a chemical property. And these property are measured in the metric system, and metric system is based on the decimal systems. And the unit of the physical and chemical property is expressed in the SI unit. SI means the International System of Unit. In French, Lie system, International D unit, abbreviation as a SI. SI was established in 11th Conference on Weight and Measurement. SI is based on the 7 units. फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी आणि केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी हे एस आय युनिटमध्ये मेजर केलं जातं आणि एस आय युनिटच्या 7 विविध युनिट्स आहेत. आता एक बाय एक आपण स्टडी करूया. The first unit is a length. It is expressed in the meters and symbol as m. Second unit is a mass. It is expressed in the kilogram and symbol is a kg. Then next unit is a time. It is expressed in the seconds and the unit is a s. Then next unit is a temperature. It is expressed in the Kelvin and symbol as a K. Then amount of substance, it is expressed in the always mole and the unit symbol of the unit is mol. Next is a electric current. It is measured in the ampere and symbol as A. Next one is a luminous intensity. The unit is a candela and expressed in the symbol CD. These are the standard unit established in the SI. SI means International System of Unit. इंटरनॅशनल सिस्टम ऑफ युनिटचे हे 7 वेगवेगळे युनिट्स आहेत. त्यामध्ये SI has expressed their units in these 7 forms. Now we study the next part, the prefix in the SI systems. So I have make these tables contains the multiples, prefix and the symbol. 10 raised to minus 12, it is known as pico and symbol as P. 10 raised to minus 9 is known as nano and symbol is N. 10 raised to minus 6, it is expressed as micro and symbol is micro. Then 10 raised to minus 3 means milli, it is the symbol is small m. Then 10 raised to minus 2 is a centi, the symbol is a C. 10 raised to minus 1 dc, the symbol is a D. Then 10 is known as a deca and symbol is a DA. Then 10 raised to 2 hecto, the symbol is a H. Then 10 raised to 3 is known as a kilo and symbol is a K. Then 10 raised to 6 means a mega, symbol as a capital M. 10 raised to 9 means giga and symbol as a G. 10 raised to 12, it means the tera and the symbol is a T. Next, we study the properties of the matters and their. For example, 10 raised to 3 means 10 raised to 3 is equal to 1,000 and this is expressed in the 10 raised to 3 kilo or the symbol is K. Now we study the one by one measurements of the matter. First, mass and weight. Mass is a measurement of the amount of matter something contains. while weight is the measurement of the pull of gravity on the object. सिंपली मराठीत सांगतो, मास आणि वेटमधला डिफरन्स. जे आपलं मास, फॉर एक्झाम्पल आपण एक ह्युमन बिईंग घेऊया. त्या ह्युमन बिईंगचं जे मास आहे ते एक्झाम्पल 56 kg आहे, कारण की ते त्याचं त्याला काय म्हणूया, मास म्हणूया. पण जर तेच मास त्याचं अर्थवर आपल्याला मेजर करायचं असेल तर त्याच्यावर असणारा ग्रॅव्हिटेशनल फोर्स, त्यामुळं ते अराउंड होतं 560 N. N means newtons. The N is a unit of the newtons in express. While this weight we have to measure in the moon, it is a 19 N. This is the difference of the mass and weight. Next measurement of the matter is a volume. Volume is a quantity of three-dimensional space enclosed by a closed surface. For example, the space that a substance, solid, liquid or gas or shapes occupy or contains. Simple आहे. एखाद्या ग्लासामध्ये जर तुम्ही एखादा सबस्टन्स टाकला तर त्या सबस्टन्सचं होणारं व्हॅल्यू त्याला आपण व्हॅल्यूम असे म्हणूया. अँड द unit of volume is m⁻³ or cm⁻³ and dm⁻³. The common unit of the volume we known as a liter, but liter is not a unit of the SI. 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. 1000 ml is equal to 1000 cm cube is equal to 1 dm⁻³. Next property of matter and their measurement is a density. How we have to measure the density? The amount per mass. Next unit of the measurement of the matter is the density. Density means the amount per mass unit. Volume is known as a density, or simply density is nothing but the mass upon volume is known as a density. एक सिंपल मेथड सांगतो डेन्सिटी मेजर करण्याची. आपल्याकडे एक फिक्स व्हॅल्यूमधला फ्लास्क आहे. त्या फ्लास्कमध्ये आपण इनिशियल वेट घेणार, त्यामध्ये सबस्टन्स ॲड केलं जाणार आणि त्याचा फायनल वेट घेतलं जाणार. इनिशियल वेट फायनल वेट मायनस इनिशियल वेट, जे आपल्याला मास भेटेल ते त्या सबस्टन्सचं मास झालं. आणि ऑलरेडी आपल्याला त्या बॉटलची व्हॅल्यू माहीत असल्यामुळे तो मास डिफरन्स डिवायडेड बाय द व्हॅल्यूम इज नोन ॲज अ डेन्सिटी. देन नेक्स्ट युनिट अँड the density is expressed in the kilogram per meter cube. Unit of the density is equal to SI unit of the mass divided by the SI unit of the volumes, and it is expressed in the kilogram per meter raised to 3. Next unit is the temperature, is measured by the common 3 units. First one is a degree Celsius, second one is a Farads, and last one is a Kelvins. Kelvin is a SI unit. The degree Celsius and Faraday is not a SI unit. How the Celsius to the Faradays and Faradays to the Celsius. 1 Farad is equal to 9/5 into Celsius plus 32 is equal to the Faradays, while when Faradays to the Celsius, Celsius equals to 5/9 in bracket F minus 32. Density is measured by SI unit of the mass divided by the SI unit of the volume, and it is expressed in the kilogram per meter raised to 3. Next unit of the measurement of the matter is a temperature. It is measured by the 3 different units, commonly the Celsius, Faradays and Kelvin, but Kelvin is a SI unit and other two are not a SI unit. Now we study the how to calculate the Celsius to the Farads and Farads to the Celsius. 1 Farads is equal to 9 upon 5 into Celsius plus 32, while when converted into the Farads to the Celsius, Celsius is equal to 5 upon 9 in bracket F minus 32. These are the two equations to calculate the Celsius to the Farads and Farads to the Celsius. In this lecture, we study the basic concept of the matter, their classification, their measurements. If you have any doubt regarding this, you can ask the question in the comment box, and please subscribe my channel. If you want to view more video, please subscribe the channel.